Oh, this was modernized. This is the elevator, I think, in the Raratonga Tower. I don't know, I'll show it at the end of the video. Polynesian. Something modded with Series 1, now modded with M2. Interlock is new. They completely redid the cabs and everything. Count of 3. They kept the Series 1 lantern, from what I can tell. Turquoise does not work. This panel also feels loose, so that's lovely. The same crap mod that Disney's doing to all of their elevators. See if we can get another round trip to get the motor again. It's got a good motor. And here we go. See if we can get a view up here. Yeah, we can. There's some of the stairs and stuff. There's another tower that this connects to that doesn't have an elevator. There's Grand Ceremonial House. I'll switch to the main lens so you get a better view. It's January 1st and they still got all their Christmas decor up. All right, let's head back down. All right.